Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for availing yourself to be part of this initiative where OAD is moving another step to launch the Solutions for Community Initiative titled OAD SCI. Our global theme for today is intergenerational wealth creation and enhancing the quality of life in Africa through global partnership and digital economy. So as we move forward, we've got a raft of very excellent presentation that we prepared to give us an insight to this. And I will just start for those who might not be familiar with the structures of OAD as part of our culture to give you a brief introduction. And so OAD remains a non-profit organization that is open to all PhD holders and PhD students or scholars of African descendants across the globe. Established as an academic research implementation development center with the vision of enhancing the quality of life in Africa through research, technology, and innovation. We have a mission of doctoring solutions for Africa and the world, and our main objective is to bring African intellectuals together and foster development while engaging relevant internal and external stakeholders. And so we have got all the spread across the globe. We've got members from Africa to Asia to America and many, many parts of the globe, showing how strong the OAD is. OAD also has created over 30 interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, and cross-disciplinary research groups charged with the responsibility of enhancing the African knowledge economy first, and through publication of academic reviews, then designing and implementing relevant evidence-based developmental research and actions. At present, there are over 40 academic review projects underway, some already published, others under review in a very reputable journals, and over 20 nearing completion. And that is showing how OAD is active in many areas. As you can see through this graphical research, we have got all across disciplinaries and sponsors going on in our projects. And so I will not take much on this. We will move to our speakers that are going to give us a very excellent presentation. But at first, we'll start with a brief bio of our president, who will speak at first, then followed by the secretary, Dr. Hulda, all the way to the last presenters. So our first speaker today is our own president, Dr. Elijah Odi, who will unveil OAD Solutions for Community Initiative, giving us the definition of intergenerational wealth and presentation of OAD agenda and localization of human capital development on every African community. And so Dr. Elijah is well known to us, those who have interacted with him or who have been part of OAD. And Elijah is a faculty member at the University of Nigeria and a global intergenerational collaboration mobilizer, a resident African resource person, a project sustainability assessor, and he holds a PhD in environmental management and a second PhD awaiting completion because of the travel restriction so far. He has over 2 decades of experience in a combined traditional and technology-aided human network development. It drives and also drives youth and women involvement in sustainable development, co-benefits for climate change mitigation and sustainable redemption using principle of sustainability linkage. And so far, he serves as a UNN focal person for United Nations Youth Education Alliance, and regularly serves as a guest lecturer on diverse related topics in the university and also major conferences and events around the world. Elijah is also a member of China Shanghai Yangpo District Government International Expert Think Tank on Asia Alliance of Learning Organizations, and sits on the board of Next Level Education Foundation International and Doctors Insights Africa. Elijah has been participating in an ongoing revolutionary and innovations of African knowledge economy through research, entrepreneurship, technology, and innovation. And so far, OD is the president of OAAD, which is a growing community of African holders, entrepreneurs, and scholars spread across over 70 countries globally. Whether in academia or industry, in fellowship, or as a well leader, he brings passion in everything he does, in helping people to find value of their time and well-defined mutually benefits that we have. And so I will take this chance to welcome President to give us an opening speech as we begin the presentation. Welcome,